Unboxing nag-una-una ang amahan. Regalo sa yung granny. Wala.
Don't think so. Microphone. Doesn't look like it.
Ang iyahang accessories.
Murag. It's only a tower, I think.
Asa man ni?
Sa likod. Kani makatabang na siya. But I don't think siya. Oh, what is this? Yeah. So Wi-Fi connector. Wala ma. Wala ka na ma. Mouse gilid. Wala. See?
Yeah, wala.
Wala. It's only tower, seriously. Wow, that was bad.
Yeah.
Mas may pangakuha na apoy libre. Ano?
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Yeah.
And mouse. This one is just, oh boy, asa man nga nagikuha. Grani, asa man yung nagikuha, grani. Wow, man, nagkadimao.
Okay.